Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Today I want us to practice some family members. Okay, so these are level 1 family members. So for someone who just started isiZulu, yes, okay, let's get straight to it. So ubaba, and ubaba, that is your dad. Your dad is ubaba. Next, umama. Umama, and that is mom. Umkhulu. Umkhulu, that is your grandfather. Ugogo. Ugogo, and that is your granny. Next one. Umalume. Umalume, that is your uncle. Auntie. Auntie, that is your auntie. Usisi. Usisi, that is your sister. Ubhuti. Ubhuti, and that is your brother. Uthisha. Uthisha, and that is a teacher. And then the last one for today, it is unkosazana. Unkosazana, and that is Miss. Ngiyabonga. See you next time.